This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. Fabulous farmhouse style with tons of upgrades and open floor plan you're wanting. Better than new, this family got transferred and barely moved in. Fabulous wood tile floors, huge working island kitchen with lots of cabinets, great size bedrooms and luxurious master suite with custom ceiling, bath walk-in shower, zero radius glass and custom pebble floor, separate double vanities with seated space and lots of storage. Great walk-in closet with built-ins that everyone will fall for. Desk area for home office or schooling, mud bench, tiled hall shower with granite countertops and the storage. Utility with designer floors and deep mop sink, back patio for entertaining and fully fenced.Wont. Last better hurry. For more information,